Hazard communication is our way to effectively communicate the hazards associated with chemicals you may work with, how they should be handled, and what to do in case of accidental exposure. OSHA requires chemical companies to evaluate the hazards and pass the information along through labels and safety data sheets. Southern Air established a written policy to comply with the hazard communication standards. The goal of Southern Air's hazard communication policy is to ensure all employees working around chemical products have access to safety data sheets and how to take protective measures. The Global Harmonized System, or GHS, defines and classifies the hazards of chemical products and communicates the health and safety information on labels and safety data sheets. The two major elements of GHS are classification of the hazards of chemicals and communication of the hazards using safety data sheets and labels. Chemical products have labels including hazard statements, signal words, or symbols identifying the classification of the chemical or mixture. Safety data sheets provide all the information about a substance or mixture for use in the workplace. There are 16 sections included in the safety data sheets. They include identification, hazard identification, composition and information on ingredients, first aid measures, firefighting measures, accidental release measures, handling and storage, exposure controls and personal protection, physical and chemical properties, stability and reactivity, toxicological information, ecological information, disposal considerations, transport information, regulatory information, other information. Southern Air job sites are required to have safety data sheets available to all employees. It is very important you know where to find this information. When Southern Air or the general contractor has a trailer on a construction site, the safety data sheets may often be found there, but check with your foreman or supervisor to make sure. Using safety data sheets can be confusing. You want to make sure the chemical name on the label matches the name on the safety data sheet. Many chemicals have similar names but very different properties. When there is no trailer on a job site, as is often the case, safety data sheets must still be present. They can often be found inside the foreman's truck, in a gang box, or in the Southern Air Connex on site. Employees can also find safety data sheet information online or in Southern Air's information library, commonly referred to as SAIL. This link, sds.southern-air.com, can be accessed on the internet for a list of hazards and their complete 16-section safety data sheet. Safety data sheets can be accessed by going to SAIL, Menu, Safety, SDS. Please take time to do this on your phone now. Key takeaways. Southern Air has established a written program to comply with the hazard communication standards set by OSHA to ensure all employees have a safe and healthy working environment. Safety data sheets provide detailed information about chemicals and products you may encounter. These will always be available to you at active job sites, and it's important you know where to find them.